Hello everyone in the world, how are you doing today? It's me, Zaki, your teacher. So today we're going to cover the speaking section and we're going to talk about many things in a short time. Then the next section will be the grammar rules in a very simple way and quizzes, and the last section will be the American accent. So today let's find some problems and how to resolve them, how to overcome them. The first problem that a lot of speakers say, I can't talk, or I'm shy. I'm shy. How can I, talk to people? So make presentations. When you make presentations, you will be confident while you're speaking. Present anything in your school, university, or your college, whatever. Be confident in front of people. Say, I will do it, and I can do it. The second thing is, I don't like to talk to strangers on the street. Well, this is a very important thing. Because if you're going to talk to them, there has to be, kind of level of talking. Asking a question for direction and so on. But you can go to libraries and you'll see many students, you'll not be afraid of. Because you are in the library. So you can talk whatever you like to talk about, and this is also will help you to give you a chance to talk and speak in English. What topics should you talk about? Well, talk about any topic that you and the other person are interested in, but avoid, I'm just saying twice because it's very, very important. Avoid religious topics and also any topics that looks really bad, sensitive, avoid them. Or political topics. And the other person says, I want to speak quickly and very fast. Well, if you are a beginner, then speaking too fast will make you a lot of troubles. Speak slowly, but not like the turtle moving. Just speak slowly, a little bit, just to help the other person understands you very well, and in this way you will be really having fun with the person you're talking to. So don't speak too much at the beginning, just take it step by step and you will reach it to the normal level of speaking, like the American or English people say or talk. One tip I'd like to give you: some people say, I forget the words when I speak to someone, what shall I do? Well, it's a very simple way to recover this problem. All you need to do is to use the descriptive language. And what I mean by this one is that use or describe the words that you don't know. So if you don't know restaurant, for example, or you don't remember this word, or you forgot this word, okay? So all you're going to do to tell him, well, it is like a place where you go to and eat food. So maybe he might not understand you very well, but he understands the main idea that you want to talk about, which is food, place, people go to and eat food. So you will understand the idea, even if you don't remember the word or anything like that. So this will help you to go on with your conversation without cutting in the middle. Accent and intonation are very important. So please learn an accent because this will help you to improve your speaking. And also intonation focuses on the accent. Intonation works with singing. So if you don't like singing, please like it for now. You don't have to sing for others. You can sing just for yourself. I'm gonna give you a short example on singing and how it affects your pronunciation while you're speaking. For example, when Adele says, hello, it's me. So remember that when you say hello, you might say hello, hello. There are many ways, right? But when you sing a song, you're feeling intonation and rhythm like that. It's not moving like that. It's moving like wave, going up and down, and low to high and high to low. In this way, your English will be more clear to understand. It will be very clear to understand, to use this kind of intonation. And we will cover more about it also in the other section. So finally, I'd like to say, don't listen to anyone who says, you can't do that, okay? Because you can, and you can very easily do anything. So I'll see you in the next section and hope you enjoy this course. Bye bye.